Hey, all you savvy naturalistas, what is up? And welcome back to my channel and another episode of Battle of the Dupes. Battle of the Dupes skincare edition. Dun dun dun. And in this episode, we will be comparing sleeping masks. So we will be comparing. We will be comparing Glow Recipes Watermelon Sleep Glow Mask with Nugg Beauty's Hydrating Sleeping Mask. So it's they're pretty much both sleeping masks, but you can actually use them as facial masks. So in this episode, we're going to use both as facial masks. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure if you would like to keep up with me, you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. Make sure you thumbs up this video and let's get into this episode. So the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask Hydrating Mask is a high-end product. This mask is 2 ounces and it will run you about $45. I bought this mask for $45. And this one is 1 ounce and it'll run you $10. Now you can find Nugg Beauty at at Target and Ulta. So I was about to say any store you could go, but you can only find them at Target and Ulta. They say you get 45 applications, well 35 plus applications with this 1 ounce. And I estimated this will last you about 6 months. So with 45 applications, I would say twice a week, or if you're using it 3 times a week as a sleeping mask with 45 applications, I'll give you about a good 6 months as well with this one. Let's look at the ingredients. The first ingredient in this one is aloe vera juice, and then glycerin, and then a lot of Latin names, water. They do say they have hyaluronic acid in this. However, let me look for it. So sodium hyaluronate, which is the soft form of hyaluronic acid, is about, I would want to say, like the 10th ingredient, and they have about 20 or 30 ingredients. They did add vinegar. Why did they add vinegar to this? I will say this one has no alcohol, the Nugg Beauty. I will say, we already know about the Glow Recipe. It does have alcohol in it. However, you know, they have way less ingredients in the Glow Recipe. So it says it's an all-in-one overnight facial. You know, it's also great to use as a morning moisturizer, and it's suitable for all skin types. So they both masks are suitable for all skin types, and both can be used as facial masks. This one can actually be used as a daily moisturizer, the Nugg Beauty. And Glow Recipe recommends you do not go out into the day with the mask unless you put a sunscreen on for sensitivity, but they recommend that you don't do that at all. So don't go out with Glow Recipes watermelon mask. Side note, does this have watermelon extract in it? I did not see. I see apricot fruit extract, apple extract, peach extract. I don't see watermelon extract in this one. Let me see. Okay, watermelon fruit extract is in this one. So let's swatch the Nugg Beauty one. Okay. Oh, y'all see that? Okay, so we're swatching it. So this one's really thick. As you can see, it's really it's not jelly. The smell is not there. I will say it smells like an old tire. So yeah. There's no scent, and we know what this one looks like, jelly. But if you don't and you're just curious, it's a very jelly type of mask. So let's swatch this one, because you know I am the queen of skincare swatches. So that's one. As you can see how this one is it's not as liquidy, and this one is thin. As a matter of fact, let's just put this one, the Glow Recipe, on this hand right here. As you can see, it comes on really nice and smooth. I'm going to try to do a close-up for you guys. So if you compare, it's just, this is the Nugg Beauty one, and this is the Glow Recipe one. So yeah, if you could see, this one goes on really nice and smooth, and it's not as watery, and it smells like watermelon because they added fragrance. This one has no fragrance whatsoever in it. So now let's put it on our face. So what I'm going to do is put the Nugg Beauty on this side and Glow Recipe on this side. It just smelled like an old tire. Smell funky. So let's just put it on our face. I did use a cleanser. I used a Korean beauty cleanser by the company Misha. It's not right here. Actually, it is here. The name is not off the top of my head, but you're supposed to cleanse your face with both masks. The name on the top of my head is called Moon Dong Shong So. So if I'm saying it right, please forgive me. So I'm just gonna this one doesn't say pat. Now with the Glow Recipe mask, they want you to pat just a little bit, but this one just says apply to clean face. So you really, oh, it does, it says gently pat into skin. I'm sitting here saying, oh, it don't say pat, but you gotta pat it. So I'm gonna just lightly pat and rub at the same time. Y'all know me, I know you're supposed to pat, but like I feel like if I rub, it gets into my skin a little more. So I'm just gonna pat and rub at the same time, y'all. I will say with the Nugg Beauty one, it is more cleaner than the Glow Recipe mask, but the smell is just not there. I wish they would have used just a little bit of a watermelon scent, but I know if you keeping it natural, you're keeping it natural. Okay, so now since I have Nugg Beauty on, I'm gonna put Glow Recipe on this side of my face. So let's go. So this one, I'm just gonna take quarter size amounts because I have a big head. Side note, on this side of my face, I'm feeling a little bit of a warming sensation. So this one is warming, and I don't know what's going on, but it's warming. Okay, that's all I gotta say. Now, I'm leaving these on for 20 minutes because Glow Recipe said you can leave theirs on for 20 minutes. So I'm under the assumption with Nugg Beauty, they say you can use theirs as a moisturizer for the day. So I'm just going to leave it on as a mask for 20 minutes just so we could get the really good benefits of both masks, you guys. Gotta give my face. Okay, you guys, so both masks are officially on my face. Glow Recipe and Nugg Beauty, both hyaluronic watermelon masks. Both have watermelon fruit extract in them, and both have hyaluronic acid in them. So we're gonna put we're gonna do a close-up so you guys can see. So this is Glow Recipe side. I'm gonna get my mirror, my handy dandy mirror. So first thing I notice is that Glow Recipe side looks way more hydrating, I would say. I do feel that Nugg Beauty's side has a little warming sensation. So if you feel some type of burning, it's not burning. I don't want to say burning because that's a stretch, but it is a very warming sensation to it. I don't see any sodium hydroxide in it. So I don't know where this burning is, not burning, but like warming sensation is coming from. I should look up some of these ingredients so we can know what this warming sensation is coming from. But I feel sort of a warming sensation. I will say this side looks way more hydrating. This side looks like it's a little dull and it's not hydrating my skin. And we know when I applied the mask, I did apply more of the watermelon sleeping mask for Nugg Beauty. I apply a lot more on this side of my face. So we're just gonna let them sit for 20 minutes. And which is interesting is that this one is more of a moisturizer, but I did leave it on my face as a mask just so we can see for 20 minutes what it does. Glow Recipe is not a moisturizer, it is a mask. So it's really interesting to see that the Glow Recipe side of my face looks way more hydrating than the Nugg Beauty side of my face. I'm really like amazed. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna sit and wait and then we'll be back. See you soon. Okay, I know my face looks a mess and it looks a hot mess, but let's just get into it. This is from the mask, not because I just sat down and ate a donut. I want one, but I didn't eat one. Anyways, so this is the Nugg Beauty side of the watermelon face sleeping mask, and this is the Glow Recipe side of the sleeping mask. As you can see, both of them have a little residue. When I guess you use the mask, it's just a facial mask. I I didn't have this issue when I was using it as a sleeping mask at night, which is really interesting. But like I said, my face wasn't damped. And if you saw my Glow Recipe watermelon mask review, your face does need to be a little damp or a little moist to get the mask not to do this. So apparently I should have just moistened my face. But let's just do a close-up so you guys can see. I'm going to do autofocus for you guys. Can you guys see? So this is Glow Recipe. As you can see, it's not as bad as Nugg Beauty. So my face does look very moisturized on this side. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks very glowy. And this side just looks like I have a mask on my face, like a mask. You know that Hanukkah mask? That's what it looks like a little bit with Nugg Beauty. Like a Hanukkah mask is just on my face. It's sitting on my face. So yeah. And then you just have the residue from this. Okay, you guys. So I will say the first thing that I do notice with the Nugg Beauty mask that it is very tightening. I'm looking at it. It doesn't say it's a hydrating. It says it's a hydrating and radiant boosting sleeping mask. But I feel tightening, like very tightening, like it's lifting my skin. So I don't know, but this feels lifting and this just feels hydrating, moisturizing, and cooling. So I'm gonna rinse my face off and we'll be back to talk about the mask. Side note, if the lighting looks different, sorry if I'm slurring, lighting looks different, it's because my ring light just broke. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I ain't got no money. These videos ain't monetized yet, but that's here nor there. Let's go rinse and we'll be back. Cha. Okay, so we're back and my face is officially clean and it's a little moist, but you guys know I like to do a wet look and then we'll do the dry look. So this is my face. I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can see. It's a little wet. This is what it looks like. So this is Glow Recipe. Can you see how the water just glasses off? And this is Nugg Beauty. Look at how more droplets I have. This one's drying really quickly versus this side. You see the apples in my cheeks, how this side's drying really quickly, and even on my forehead, like drying faster than the other side. This honestly looks very shiny, like I have grease on my face. Wow, that mask, something else. Okay, so I'm gonna dry my face and then we could talk. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so my face is officially dry. Let's do a close-up. This is what it looks like. So this is, of course, Glow Recipe, and this is Nugg Beauty. What do you guys think? First of all, I just want to say this. They're both very hydrating, which I was a little shocked by. So what do you think? Nugg Glow Recipe, Nugg Beauty. Let me know in the comments down below what side of my face you guys think looks better. Okay, so is it a dupe? Honestly, I'm going to have to say yes, it is a dupe. And I really wanted to be biased and go with Glow Recipe. I will say Glow Recipe gives you way more hydration. My face feels so soft and smooth and silky on this side. And this side just feels like, you know, just dry. It's not soft, it's not silky, but it just feels normal. It's not drying, but it just feels like soft, you know? It doesn't feel like there's a lot of hydration going on in this side of my face with Nugg Beauty, but I will say ultimately it is a dupe. The ingredients for Glow Recipe are a little more high-end side, and I will say the reason why it's going to cost you $45 is because they actually, first of all, I really want to say hyaluronic acid is not expensive, but I will say they actually did add it first, and you do get seaweed extract. You get the first 4 ingredients in the Watermelon Glow or the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. The name brand one is the reason why you're going to pay a heavy sticker price for it. Plus it comes in a glass bottle. But let's just run over the ingredients if you didn't see my review. It has water, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, seaweed extract, and then a watermelon fruit extract as the first 4 ingredients. And those are some major kickers in this beautiful product as to why you're going to pay a hefty price tag. And this one is a very natural product. It's actually more natural than the Glow recipe. But the first ingredient is aloe vera juice, then glycerin. But then it takes a while before it does have well, it doesn't have pure alcohol in it. It does have some sort of alcohol fragments, but it's really the watermelon fruit extract as well as sodium hyaluronic or hyaluronic acid is way down the list of ingredients. But I will say, all in all, even with all that, it does perform the same. You will get more moisture on this side. You will get a nice, soft, silky feel with the Glow recipe, and you will get some hydration on this side, but not as much hydration as you will with the Glow recipe mask. But all in all, however, with all that being said, it performs nicely. The Glow recipe as well as Nugg Beauty is actually a dupe, and I really didn't want it to be a dupe, but looking at my face and the after results, it actually is a dupe. I hate to say it, I'm kind of shocked. Now, with ingredients being said, it's not, but it's a dupe. It gives you that hydration. It gives you that nice glowy look, and not as glowy as the Glow recipe, but you will get some sort of glow. You'll get like a glow of makeup without the highlight. If you trying to see what I'm saying, I don't know, but that's what I'm trying to say. Anyways, it is a dupe. Let me know your favorite dupes for the Glow recipe watermelon mask in the comments. If you've been looking for a dupe, I highly suggest you try this out. You get 35 applications. I personally wish they would have put it in a little cute glass jar, but I know they want to keep it underpriced and low, and that's why they added it to this really hefty little bag. It is a bit watery, but that's here nor there, and I want to nitpick it just a little bit. They didn't add any fragrance. I would have liked some sort of watermelon scent for me to officially give them that stamp of approval to make them the official dupe for Glow recipe. I really wanted a watermelon scent, Nugg Beauty. Please, why didn't you give me a watermelon scent? I'm kind of mad about that. Watermelon with no smell watermelon. I understand, you guys, this mask is 96% natural. And you know, with natural products, you don't get that more of a good look that you do with sort of non-natural products. Side note, Glow recipe is clean at Sephora, but they're not a clean beauty brand, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense. They're not clean beauty, but they're clean at Sephora. With that being said, I would have liked the fragrance, Nugg Beauty, and then you would have got the stamp of approval. You get the stamp of approval, Nugg Beauty, for being the dupe, but watermelon would have made this like mwah, mwah, magnifico, perfectico, mwah, mwah. Anyways, you guys, it really would have. It would have hit it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Battle of the Dupes, Skincare Addiction. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. And I'll see you in my next episode of the Battle of the Dupes. Bye!